I used to stay up until 3 a.m. wondering if I'd make rent, staring at my bank account like it would magically change. Every bill felt like another weight on my chest. The worst part? Feeling like I was the only one struggling, too embarrassed to tell anyone the truth. But here's what I didn't know then. Thousands of people were in the exact same spot, and some of them found a way out. Not overnight, but real progress. If you're stuck in that same late night panic, you don't have to figure it out alone. Link in bio. Ever notice how money just disappears? Like, it hits your account, and before you can even blink, it's already gone. Rent takes the biggest chunk, then bills start piling up. Groceries, petrol, subscriptions you forgot you even had. It's like this endless loop. Money in, money out, and the cycle just repeats. Sound familiar? You're not alone.
You ever just stare out the window at 2 a.m., wondering where it all went wrong? That moment when you realize you've been grinding for years, but you're still in the same place? Yeah, I know that feeling, but here's what changed everything for me. I stopped waiting and started building. Link in bio to learn how.
Your money is just sitting there doing absolutely nothing. But here's the thing. Every dollar can earn you more dollars while you sleep. It's called passive income, high yield savings accounts, index funds, dividend stocks. Your money should work as hard as you do. Start making it happen today.
Most people are doing stock research completely wrong. They're staring at charts for hours, missing the one shortcut that changes everything. Here's what the pros actually do. They use screeners to filter thousands of stocks in literally seconds. Set your criteria once, price range, volume, market cap, and boom, instant results. You're not scrolling through random stocks anymore. You're finding exactly what you need faster than you ever thought possible.
Wait, is this actually happening right now? I've been watching this stock for weeks and it just broke resistance. Look at this volume spike. This is exactly what I was waiting for. The momentum indicators are all aligning. See that? Institutional money is pouring in. This could be the breakout we've been talking about. If you're not watching this, you need to start paying attention. Link in bio to see my full analysis.
I started with just 50 quid a month. 3 years ago, when everyone said it was pointless. The first year, basically nothing happened. Year 2, tiny gains. I almost quit, honestly. Then something shifted. Compound interest started doing its thing. That 50 quid a month, it's now worth over £2,000. Time in the market beats timing the market. Start small, start today.
What if I told you a tiny seed could turn into life-changing wealth? I planted this with just $5. Day 1, it looked like nothing, but I watered it every single day. Week 3, the first coins started appearing. By month 2, actual dollar bills grew from the branches. This thing became a literal money tree. All from one small investment. Your wealth works the same way. Start planting today.
Your portfolio is probably making the single biggest mistake that's costing you thousands: overconcentration. When 3 stocks make up most of your money, you're one bad earnings report away from losing everything. The fix? Spread across at least 15 to 20 different positions, different sectors, different industries. That's how you survive the market, no matter what happens.
This is absolutely mental. I'm watching an AI brain actually process thoughts in real time. Look at those circuits firing. Every pathway lighting up like a map. The speed of this is genuinely insane. This is the future happening right now. Follow for more AI tech. You ever stop to think about how big these companies actually are? Like, properly massive. Apple's worth more than the entire UK stock market. Google processes 4 million searches every single minute. Amazon ships 10,000 packages per second. Meta connects 3 billion people daily. Microsoft runs software on basically every computer you've ever used. These aren't just companies anymore, they're empires. Follow for more insights that will change how you see the world. Oh no. This is exactly what I was afraid of. The market's turning red across every sector, and it's accelerating. Look at that volume spike. Everyone's panicking at once. But here's the thing, this is when fortunes are made, if you know where to look. Want to learn how I navigate these storms? Link in bio.
Most people think trading is just about luck. But here's what a real trading day actually looks like. It's 6 a.m. Markets open in 3 hours. I'm scanning Asian markets, European pre-market, looking for patterns most traders miss. Every position is calculated, risk managed, emotions non-existent. This isn't gambling, it's a business. Want to learn the system? Link in bio.
This is how money moves around the world in real time. Watch this. Every single second, millions of transactions connect every continent, from New York to Tokyo, London to Singapore. It's absolutely insane, and you can be part of it. Start exploring global markets today.
I used to think success was about being the biggest, the loudest, the one everyone noticed. But then I watched something that changed everything. While the giant sat there doing absolutely nothing, this small rocket just launched. Pure power in a tiny package. It didn't wait for permission, it just took action. Sometimes the smallest move is the one that changes everything. What's your next launch?
Which path would you choose? On the left, the AI future. Smart cities, automation, endless possibilities. On the right, the traditional path. Familiar, comfortable, but limited. Most people freeze at this crossroads. They're terrified of change. But here's the thing. Standing still is actually choosing the dark path. The future doesn't wait for anyone. So which one are you taking? Comment below. AI future or traditional path?